everyone, welcome back. It's the lovely day and I'm gonna cook some nice pea soup. Yes, so I have all my ingredients here. I'm gonna teach you the tricks on the trade of cooking good red pea soup. And I'm gonna show you my ingredients. We have celery. I'm gonna put 2 stalks. I'm gonna cut it small. I have my onion. I have my thyme. I'm going to put scallion. This is chocha. And this is turnip. I have garlic. I have rosemary. I have parsley. I like cooking with parsley because it's also very healthy. It's healthy and I like to eat healthy. And I have my carrots. And I have my flour. I'm going to make some small little dumplings to put into my pea soup. And here is my yam. My yellow yam. And this is breadfruit. Make it thick and nice. And I have cocoa. And with red pea soup, you have to put sweet potato. Else it won't taste like red pea soup. And this is my red peas. This is like 2 pounds of red peas. And the main ingredients for your pea soup is your corned beef. This is my corned beef. You know when you have corned beef and you buy it, it comes with their seasoning and it's in a bag and whatever. It's corned beef brisket. I like to use this and cook because it's not fatty, it's lean and it's healthy. And so I wash it as usual with my lime and my vinegar, and I just wash it, all of those little seeds, all of the seasons that I have, I wash everything off. And what I do with my corned beef, I boil it first like for 5 minutes in hot water, so all of that little thing come off of it and you have nice fresh corned beef. So that is what I do. My soup is so pretty, so good. Look at everything, so thick and nice, and I'm just ready to eat. Friends, I forget to tell you that I put coconut milk in my red pea soup. You can use the block or you can use the can. Also, I use this soup. I told you before, it doesn't have any MSG because I'm trying to keep away from MSG. But I can't wait to eat my soup. It is so delicious. Everything is good and delicious. Subscribe and like and hit the notification bell that you never miss one of our videos. Thank you again. Thanks for listening. Mwah.